Based in the northeast of England, Michell Bearings was founded in 1920 by AGM Michell, the inventor of the hydrodynamic bearing. Our design and manufacturing engineers are committed to providing you with high-quality bearings, serving a range of industrial, commercial marine and naval markets. As a leading manufacturer, we understand that to achieve the highest levels of quality, we must invest in the latest technology. Our facilities, together with the extensive manufacturing resource of the British Engines Group, enable us to offer you a world-class service without compromise. Our thrust and journal bearing solutions range from catalogue items to custom design components specific to your requirements. Our engineers are dedicated to machining the highest quality components and understand the strict tolerances that come hand in hand with some of the world's most demanding projects. We manufacture our tin-based white metal or babbitt to an international standard specification and use this to line our thrust and journal pads. We also offer advanced bearing materials such as PTFE, which is recognised industry-wide as having many advantages over white metal in certain applications. Whilst all design engineering is carried out in the UK, we also have a sales and manufacturing plant in Bangalore, India, which has been in operation since 1994. The 4,500 square metre manufacturing facility replicates the state-of-the-art machining methods, CNC capability and cutting tool technology used in the UK. Strategically located, our Indian site, along with a long-established network of sales representatives, allows us to remain responsive, no matter where you are in the world. The Bangalore factory has the capability to produce equivalent products to our UK factory, and both sites are accredited to the recognised international standards for quality, health, safety and the environment. Now, our state-of-the-art technology, decades of sector experience and unrivalled quality systems mean that we have a large, loyal customer base along with a reputation as a world leader in bearing design and manufacture. Investment into international research and development is key to us retaining our reputation. We are committed to ongoing testing and innovation to bring you solutions for the future. Working in partnership with our customers enables us to have a sound understanding of all their marine and industrial requirements. This ensures that we provide solutions which are designed, developed and tested to suit your specific application. Our global network and 24-hour manufacturing capability ensures that we can react quickly and efficiently to the requirements of our customers all over the world. We can simulate some of the most challenging industrial and marine environments in our purpose-built test house in order to put your bearings to the test. Our unique bearing performance prediction software was developed in-house and is continuously refined using results obtained from site operation and factory rig testing. Skilled craftsmen with unrivalled technical expertise make virtually any white metal repair possible, whether on our original designs or the products of any other bearing manufacturer. We have a number of partnerships with bearing repair companies in key global locations to provide you with qualified support if required. What if you require on-site assistance? Our global team can provide service support at your location to ensure that downtime is kept to a minimum. To prolong the life of your bearing, we can also educate you and your site staff on the key elements of good practice regarding the use and operation of our bearings, with a tailored maintenance support program. Michell Bearings, providing superior value to our customers through quality, support and innovation.